Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and tonight's video is about the attribute eyedropper tool. I've done a couple of videos on this, but somebody's having a problem with it, and I think I figured out what's wrong. When you grab the attribute eyedropper, you need to make sure there's no effects selected, there's no size selected, or rotation or position, and there's no fill. So we're going to take a sample of this guy, and then we're going to go to size. And then we're going to go down here, and it's going to make every one of them that size. No matter if they're square or rectangle or big or little, it's going to make all of them that size. That's a pretty useful tool. So when you get that, you need to make sure nothing is selected. And this time, let's go to Effects, and let's select Contour. And let's sample that and go over here and contour that. So it contour the same amount of lines and the same amount of distance. Let's go back and go to Attribute, take away the effects on the contour and add envelope. And here I have an envelope of a text. Well, let's say we want that text exactly like the other envelope. Then you can select it. So when you start with this, make sure you have nothing selected. This is really useful. I'm going to do another video about some other things that I think will be really helpful to people. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.